Hey, it's another Lil Wayne bite. Just a little taste of this and that. And recently I was on Windy City Live, a local talk show here in Chicago, where I shared one of my go-to summertime recipes. Pasta with fresh tomato, basil, and capers. My good friend Giovanni, who's from Italy, whose last name I still can't pronounce, even though it's only 5 letters. Luigi, forget it. I can't figure it out. Anyway, he taught me how to make this dish. He basically said, rather than heating up your kitchen, use fresh tomato and basil for pasta rather than cooking a sauce. And it's really easy. Start the day before, if you have time, by making a garlic infused olive oil. Peel and smash 3 or 4 good-sized garlic cloves and add them to a half a cup of olive oil. Boom, done. An hour before dining, take 1 pound of fresh, just ripe tomatoes, use any combination you like, and chop them into small, bite-sized pieces. Take 1/4 cup of basil leaves, stack them up, roll them, and thinly slice them, a chiffonade. Put the tomatoes and basil in a bowl, then add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of garlic infused olive oil, 1 teaspoon of white balsamic reduction, looks like this, and 2 tablespoons of capers. Toss everything together, cover with plastic, and let it rest at room temperature for an hour. Now make 1/2 pound of pasta according to package directions. Choose whatever you like. I've used fettuccine in the past, but if you use fusilli with multiple surfaces, it soaks up more of the sauce. While the pasta is cooking, sample your tomato mixture and season it to taste if you need to. Then transfer the cooked pasta to a serving platter, add the tomato mixture, and toss to combine. Top with a little shaved Parmigiano Reggiano, and you're good to go. It is so good and so easy. The recipe's down below. Be sure to like it and add some comments too. Hey, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel too. There's buttons all over the screen you can click on. You'll get more recipes, some of my travel tips, some of my craft projects, including woodworking projects. And I'm gonna sit here and keep working on my friend Giovanni's last name, which I'm never gonna get. Anyway, I'll see you next time.